Like the place is coming along so nice, right, Adrian?
Yeah, man, it's a little sneak peek of what to expect this Sunday, October 6, guys. You get me, I say so. We won't put too many spoilers in this video, but just to note that the guys, they are fine-tuning, they're doing the little tweaks to get the thing perfect for Sunday. Alright, guys, so come on out, alright? Alright, guys, we'll go on. Yeah, man, so we have a couple of clients inside of this community that you know, basically managing their investments for them, you know, so getting the crews to do their driveways, alright. For this particular unit, I'll also be doing the grilling work, alright, and I'll be securing tenants for them as well, you know. Do note, guys, that we, the Adelpratt family, don't dictate the prices for the rentals. You get me, I say? It all is on the homeowners. Of course, we give suggestions, but ultimately the pricing is up to the homeowners, you know. So, you know, we did note on the last video, you know, where you guys you know, lamented a lot about the prices, but note that we're not the ones who really dictate the price, you know. We can recommend, but at the end of the day, the homeowners, you know, the homeowners know their expenses and so on, and of course they are the ones that really determine the price. So this is the same crew that did our driveway at our Airbnb apartment. You know, they're efficient, you know, them quick, you know. So we just work with them, you know. So they're doing this, and also, yo, my general, you know the lot number for the other house around there, so you do for me? You don't remember? You don't remember? Lot number around the road there, so the other one not break off. Okay, okay. Yeah, so I have a few of them where we are sort out for the clients, you know. So as them done this one, them are gonna jump on that one. The guys were telling us that within the last week and a half, amount of rain in Jamaica. The rain crazy, like I don't know, like Father God have a big drum of water, just a dash out. Just a dash out. You know, but today like the first day, we're like without rain, you know, straight sunshine. Yeah, man, it's the first day, because believe me, after them did dig out this driveway, you know, man, and leave it, and so them gonna come at the following day, come gravel it, and then come back, have a pool of water in the driveway, you understand? So I have to leave it for about a day or two, you know, and take time, ping pong on it, you know. So this is where we are right now, you know. Yeah, man, I guess we're there right now, guys. You see it? Alright, so this is Feeling Spark Village 2. It's a typical space in one of the units. I'm just doing some quick, you know, estimates of, you know, what can be done around here, you know. So 12 feet coming this way. 12 feet coming this way. It's really short to the back, because if you're gonna have to leave, you know, room like probably 5 feet towards the boundary, you only have like 8 feet. So the most you can do with the back here is probably just to put on a bathroom. You know, kind of tight. It's tight back here. Over this side now, 12, and then you have to add the additional. Just right here, so now almost 12 and 9. So this side here, 12 and 9 are 21. So you have 21 feet over here. You could possibly extend the kitchen a little bit and then put a bedroom back here. So you extend the kitchen probably 5-6 more feet, and then put another you can put a bedroom, like extend the kitchen and then you put a bedroom back here, put a bathroom back here. So maybe the bathroom you put back here service this back bedroom kind of thing, you know. Yeah, so yeah, the Phoenix Park Village 2 really get really get limited space, but you can still add a bedroom and extend the living plus put a bathroom back here, you know. Yeah, man, if we can do a little thing back here, so you know, so persons who are owners at Phoenix Park Village 2, though it's tight, you know, there's still room for you know, some work, yeah, you know. There's still room where you can extend, you know. Yep. They're probably too tight. Okay. Alright, so what I make here. Ooh, hot. So I signpost. Alright, see signpost here. Some of the sign over there, so you might test that. You know? Yeah. Alright. Hold it there for me, Richie. Just hold it. Yeah. See there? So I finish up now. Okay, I'm gonna mount it right away. Get the sign and measure it. I mean, which much by I place it.
Oh yeah, we have to put that one.
Metal hot. Oh. Me have a level at yard still, you know. Yeah. We have no level here? No. Because I have to go back in the house again. You don't have none here?
Yeah, man.
Okay. So just buy a tin or two tin of black spray paint. And spray them up, make it nice, you know? Make it look nice. Yeah. Alright guys, so we are just a couple of minutes out from Great House Estate. It's hardware here. I'm actually gonna buy some spray paint plus the cement as I mentioned, you know. So yeah, but these blocks are really kinda like them. I think it's a new era to them here. See all different color blocks. You can do your perimeter fencing and them kind of stuff with them black here, and make the thing look nice. Yeah. And then put the dye in it similar like the bricks, you know, babe. You can see it by the way. You know, so the similar kind of dye with them used to do the bricks them put it on the blocks. And some people do them perimeter wall out of them nice pretty color blocks here, you know. So yeah, we'll go inside and get the cement and the spray paint. Alrighty, so we're in the area now. Yeah. We're right here. Just a turning now, turn in now. The women is just down this road. Alright guys, so we're at the development now. These are the two mother units. Alright, we have the open house this Sunday, October 6th from 12 to 3 guys. Come on now, we'll be here, come and meet us. As I say, we'll be happy to meet y'all. As I say, refreshments on the house.
Yes.
At the Great House Estate this Sunday. Alright, so we're gonna take a sneak peek. As you can see guys here, you can see here they're framing out the other units. So 2 are completed and they're doing the framework for the others going down the line. Alright.
Yeah. And guys, I just want to remind you, in times past, you guys have always wanted to be on the cutting edge of the primal information on these developments. This is the primal stage. So as you see, the model units are up. When everything phase 1 going fast, we haven't even gotten towards building half of phase 1 yet, and phase 1 is almost gone. So you guys are at the primitive stage now where you can run in, you can get the first prices, get the preferences when it comes to lot selection. Even that lot selection is very important if you come early. If you wait too long, then you're going to just take the lots that are available, right? So come on out Sunday, call us, email us. I love to hear from you guys though, so you guys can WhatsApp us, call us, email us, and if you email, send your number as well. And let's get the ball rolling. Let's get y'all into some houses, okay? Like the place is coming out so nice, right, Adrian?
Yeah, man, it's a little sneak peek of what to expect this Sunday, October 6th, guys. You get me? I say so. We won't put too many spoilers in this video, but just to note that the guys, they are fine tuning, they are doing a little tweaks to get the thing perfect for Sunday. Alright, guys, so come on out. Alright, we're gonna be leaving the development now. We're gonna go back to the main where we'll be mounting the sign. Yeah, man, so see you on Sunday, guys. We out.
See what go on here, guys. See what's happening. See what's happening. See what is happening right here. Okay, guys. So coming from Spanish Town, this is Old Harbour Road right here. This is Old Harbour Road coming into Old Harbour, right? So coming down this road, you'll be able to see our sign. You'll be able to see our sign right here that Adrian is posting it. A nice sign of us. That is the way into Old Harbour Town, and this is the way in to the community. No, don't worry, this road will be redone and be made brand spanking new for y'all to come. Alright, so the community is up this road. It's about 2 minutes in. Let me give you a landmark. Coming from Old Harbour Road, come all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. Your landmark is going to be where you see the Delpratt family sign right here. So that Adrian is digging out a mountain, but also you come down and you see this sign right here. It says Tesford Park Cemetery, and you can also see that Anglican church right there. So the Anglican church is your marker, and you're gonna take the right turn just before the road right in front of the Anglican church, or running alongside the Anglican church. It's up this road, 2 minutes up, and don't mind the road, you know. The road are gonna make brand spanking new soon. In fact, the drive up was made a lot more clearer by the development, and then by the time we start handing over the homes, you're gonna find that this road will be, you know, this road will be ready for you. Yeah, guys, so see all that digging happening right here. Can't wait. This is gonna be our second sign that we've erected. So some monumentous moment even for us. Okay, I'm gonna say, what is that blue thing?
I don't know.
Oh shit.
Banana tool. I don't know what is this blue thing down in the hole. Is that your record?
Yeah.
I don't know what is.
What is that blue thing? What is like powder?
Why? I don't know. It's weird.
Is it hard?
No, it's
Powder like
it's powdery. You don't know if a fungus. I don't know.
I don't think it's fungus. It looks like something man-made.
Like paint or something.
Yeah.
No, fungus bright pretty color.
Mm-hmm.
Fungus bright pretty color too, man.
Oh, you're supposed to know, fungus expert. Fungus and bacteria expert. Yeah, there's a big chunk of it right there now.
A stone.
Huh?
A stone. I'll get the sign and check the depth.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty big sign. See if I can drive it down.
No.
Oh, you want it like that?
Cement.
Oh, okay.
Also.
Yeah. Okay.
So now, it's time now. So now I mix the cement. I'll set it in and then we'll paint it and then we'll put on the sign. Alright, so that's starting to cement now. Let's have some extra material at home, so you know.
Just a little tubes. It's not like a lot, it's just like a small amount. Just to add stability to the sign so it doesn't topple over.
I never want to buy a bag of cement. And the other that I stopped at, they didn't sell the regular curb cement by the pound, so I'm going to buy white cement.
Is this your first time mixing cement? What?
What cement we mix in our lifetime?
Yeah. Enough time you mix cement?
That's why we are mixing our place, we don't mix cement too much time.
Yeah, you did help out a few times, but I never remember seeing you with the shovel and mix none, man. Next time I go have a video. You seem to be doing well though, like you catch the art of it, you know?
What?
You seem to have catch the art of it.
From there, you talk about mix cement. I never grow stush, you know.
Yeah.
That's all.
Coming together, man. Just a little bit more water.
I don't want
Oh yeah. Yeah. See there now? Coming together. Adrian, the guy them here from the house. Those are the guys from the Great House Estate, some of the workers. They're literally laughing at Adrian like for him to mix little bit of concrete. Some bigger stone?
I just want more put that rest hand point and throw the cement down.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright. I want more material, man.
Just put it up with dirt.
The people say dirt, they know the dirt no will cement. Dirt with the cement.
No, I mean mixing the cement with the dirt, Adrian. Know what I mean?
It's just enough. It's just enough. I'm going to put tough stone. Yeah, this is good.
Oh my god. Adrian nearly getting knocked out by the pole. Some big stone there up there. On a bigger rock stone, we can more be like a anchor until the cement dry. Yeah, but today is that way you little tugboat. This is it, guys. You did good, babe. You're standing. Yep. Job well done. as a level. He had a level. He's using a level, y'all. Like, but this makes sense, guys, because if it's not level, especially when rain fall and the breeze start blow on, it'll topple over. So that's been the problem why we're ensuring that the sign doesn't topple over, you know.
Alright, babe, so you know what to spray? What's the first thing? What's the first thing?
Point and spray?
Point and spray the first thing?
Yeah.
Alright, go on, let me tell you point and spray.
I got it.
Move your hand. Yeah. Yeah, wait till I spray.
Agent take over, guys. Indeed, where do I take over and you see him? But I'm not spray it good.
Alright. So guys, we're just enjoying our new journey, you know. One step at a time, we're taking it all. Alright, so our first open house will be this Sunday, October 6th, beginning 12 noon up until 3 p.m. Alright, so be there, guys. Come with your pre-approvals, come and select your lots because this one is going pretty fast. Alright, you can definitely reach out to us. Our information is listed in the description box, you know, email, phone calls, whatever. You can reach out to us, guys. Yeah, man, we're looking forward to hearing from you.
So guys, this is the erection of our second sign, and they're actually both in St. Catherine. St. Catherine is that parish that is now booming when it comes to residential homes being built. Not only that, you know, but when it comes to businesses.
It's a 1 foot man a juggle. You know? Beetroot juice look nice though.
It is refreshing.
Yeah.
No sugar.
No sugar.
No sugar. I am shook it.
I have the cane juice.
Because I don't like beetroot.
Alright, so we have here now. We have the sign now. Alright, this is like our temporary sign. We have another one coming, but in the interim, we're just going to use that one here, you know? Yeah.
This is the inaugural planting of our second sign, okay? If you are interested in the Great House Estate, call us at this number, email us, check the description down below, okay? You are the persons to call.
Oh, yeah, good. Alright.
Ta-da!
Yeah.
This is that comes back. This is that comes here.
That tape. Guys, I never rape.
Guys, you know how long I asked Adrian to cut one jelly for me this morning and Adrian never cut it and then I have dirty cutlass out there, so? Eh?
You know how much things the cutlass go through over the years? It can clean off. So I clean it off and then cut the jelly.
Oh, you hear what he said, right? That's a promise he made on camera. Me tell you if you keep the promise.
Yeah, clean up the tools, babe.
Yeah, I'm cleaning it up for you.
Alright, thank you.
Hey guys, so I'm right messing about with all the stuff that Adrian used for his construction. See there. As I was saying a little earlier, I was saying that both of the signs that we posted so far are in St. Catherine. St. Catherine is this project that's booming. So there's so many new developments, residential developments and commercial developments in this area that, trust me, it's growing so fast. When we moved into Portmore, to the house that we live in Portmore now, that area was basically, it was our community alone on the road. Now there are 4 major communities on that road, and it's good, more and more is coming. So I mean, don't hesitate, don't be afraid to come and look at Old Harbour. If you look at the growth in Old Harbour, I remember I came to Old Harbour looking at what's the word development down here again?
Oh, New Harbour Village.
New Harbour Village. So I was going to buy into New Harbour Village in Old Harbour, right?
Way back, before I met her.
Okay, yeah, way back, right? So I was going to buy into that one, and then the Phoenix Park Village one came up. So basically, then to know there has been quite a number of developments thus far in Old Harbour, with so many amenities, and this one is the best so far, and very reasonable price when you look at what you're getting in the St. Catherine area for that price point, and what you're getting in this development. You're really getting it at a groundbreaking stage, at an early stage, and in another stage. So can't say we didn't tell y'all.
Alright guys, we just got a while ago, I see the man them all put in garbage disposal in the sink. Alright, so
Right.
a lot of features. A lot of features are coming.
That is true. So stay tuned, guys. Remember to contact us if you are interested, and if you're interested in property in general in Jamaica, contact us. Okay, we got you.